Welcome to the tech team. As you start your new role here, it helps to understand exactly what is at stake when code is written, launched, and occasionally fractures in the real world. Let's look at Knight Capital Group. In August 2012, this major financial firm launched a brand new, highly anticipated automated trading software right onto the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. This line graph shows exactly what happened next. Within just 45 minutes of turning that software on, a glitch caused the firm's value to violently drop, resulting in a loss of $460 million. That massive financial hit did not come from a cyber attack, and it wasn't a malicious insider. It happened because of a single software update that had skipped proper testing. In the modern digital economy, a flawed release has the power to instantly wipe out a massive company. That brings us to your field, software testing. Testing is the systematic process of evaluating a program to confirm it performs the exact tasks the developers designed it to do. But checking the intended functions is only half the job. You also have to prove the system does not do things it isn't supposed to do, like accidentally leak a customer's private data or crash when thousands of people log in at once. Finding bugs is part of the process, but your real purpose is providing a safety net. You are protecting the company's revenue, securing our users' information, and defending the brand's reputation. To see how this works in practice, let's look at the two main cycles of making software. The first is the Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC. Think of the SDLC like constructing a skyscraper. It is the chronological blueprint the developers follow to build the product from the ground up. The second cycle is the Software Testing Lifecycle, or STLC. If the SDLC is the construction crew, the STLC is the team of safety inspectors evaluating every floor as the skyscraper goes up. This flowchart compares development on the left with testing on the right. Operating as parallel tracks, the developer's SDLC journey begins with initial planning, moving into writing code. Simultaneously, in the STLC track, you analyze blueprints and ask safety questions while code is written. While the development cycle creates the software, the testing cycle ensures that the final product is safe for humans to use. Let's apply this to a daily scenario. Imagine trying to order your morning coffee on an app. You select your drink, hit pay, and the screen completely freezes. That annoyance can quickly turn into a systemic failure. We saw this in 2015 with a major point-of-sale glitch at Starbucks. That glitch took down registers globally, forcing stores to either give away free coffee or shut their doors for the day. Consumer app bugs carry massive, immediate operational costs. To prevent these situations, you have to adopt the mindset of a digital investigator. Your primary responsibility is to deeply understand what the end user needs and how they expect the software to behave. You do this by creating test cases. A test case is a methodical what-if scenario. You use these scenarios to intentionally stress the software and find its breaking points within a safe internal environment. When you find a flaw, your final responsibility is to document it. You map out the exact steps you took so you can report the specific failure points back to the developers. Your role isn't about pointing out mistakes. It is about partnering with developers to make the final product as stable and reliable as possible. Let's return to the Knight Capital loss and the Starbucks outage to ask one final what-if question. What if the teams behind those products had used a rigorous testing lifecycle? Those bugs would have been identified and fixed in a simulated environment long before they ever reached the public. This checklist covers our core takeaways. First, software testing provides the safety net that prevents massive real-world failures. Second, the SDLC builds the software, but the STLC ensures it functions safely. And third, as a tester, you are the guardian of the user experience. The developers sitting next to you build the digital world, but you are the ones who ensure it stays standing. Welcome to the team.